In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ink to Math in OneNote. If you're tired of manually typing complicated equations, OneNote includes a built-in Ink to Math feature that can convert handwritten math into clean, formatted digital equations. This makes your notes easier to read, edit, and organize. In this tutorial, we'll go through two methods: converting handwritten equations already on the page and using the math input panel for real-time conversion. Okay, let's get started. First, open OneNote and make sure your notebook is ready. For the first method, click the Draw tab at the top of the screen. Now select any pen or highlighter tool from the toolbar. Using your stylus, mouse, or finger, write your math equation directly on the page. Try to write the equation as clearly as possible so OneNote can recognize it accurately. Once you've written the equation, stay in the Draw tab and click the Lasso Select tool. Now draw around the entire handwritten equation to select it. After selecting the equation, click the Math button that appears in the ribbon. A math pane will open on the right side of the screen. Here, OneNote shows how it interpreted your handwritten equation. Review the preview carefully to make sure everything looks correct. If the equation is accurate, click Ink to Math. OneNote will instantly convert your handwritten equation into a properly formatted math expression. You can now move, resize, or edit the equation more easily inside your notes. Now let's look at the second method using the Math Input panel. Again, stay in the Draw tab. This time, go to the Convert section and click Ink to Math. A separate Math Input panel will appear. Inside this panel, write your equation using your mouse, stylus, or finger. As you write, OneNote automatically attempts to convert the handwriting into formatted math in real time. You'll see a live preview of the converted equation inside the panel. Once everything looks correct, click the Insert button. The formatted equation will then be added directly to your OneNote page. If OneNote misreads part of the equation, you can use the correction tools at the bottom of the panel. Options like Select and Correct let you fix symbols or characters before inserting the equation. This helps ensure your final equation is accurate and properly formatted. And that's how to use Ink to Math in OneNote. With these tools, you can quickly turn handwritten equations into clean digital math without manually formatting everything yourself. Try both methods and use whichever workflow feels faster and more convenient for your note-taking style.